Hey guys, working from home today. I received a package and it's from Dooney and Bourke. So let's unbox it together. Now, with the resurgence of Coach as a popular brand, I've always known that Coach was an awesome brand, and I definitely love Coach. And it got me to thinking, what about Dooney and Bourke? That was a staple for most of us back in the 80s and 90s. I wouldn't say 80s, but maybe 90s. And I absolutely love Dooney and Bourke. The leather is great. It's awesome. Sorry about that. Some ASMR. The leather was top quality, top tier. And I decided to revisit the brand Black Friday. I did buy directly from Dooney and Bourke, and they did ship to Canada through border free, which was minimal cost in terms of duties and taxes. So here we go. So, it's such a classic brand, and I just feel like it has been forgotten with the resurgence of these mainstream Balenciagas, Gucci, and so on. I do love a designer bag, but I don't necessarily go with the popular brands. And I thought to myself, you know what? Let's bite the bullet. This is a classic crossbody that I have been looking at for years. I really could not justify the price because it's small, it's tiny. And then again, we have these micro bags that have also been in style for the last couple of years. And so anyway, I decided to bite the bullet because it was, I think, 30% off. What I got was this gorgeous little bag. This is a classic bag, and if you guys are of a certain age, this is the all-weather insignia of Dooney and Bourke, very emboldened, very pronounced, and that is really why I love this bag. It has the old school brass key shunt here, and definitely it's just a cute little bag that I absolutely love. I've actually ordered another color for my niece because she's in her 20s, and I just want her to appreciate. She has like YSL and those other brands, and I just want her to appreciate some old school brands. This is the inside of the bag, and it definitely has space for a cell phone, a small purse, or a card holder. And it has, I usually tuck my cell phones in the back if a bag has these, and it has a cute little dust bag. So don't forget about our bags that are from back in the day, and the quality is excellent, and it does, or even is better, on par with some of the mainstream bags that people are killing themselves over nowadays. Now, I got it in the color taupe, and I wanted something that was neutral. I love the taupe on the chocolate brown with a huge logo. I absolutely love this, and I cannot wait to wear this. I think this is a perfect bag also for the fall winter. So if you are interested, it is the all-weather 2 big duck bag. That's what I searched for, but it might still be on sale because it's Cyber Monday week. So check it out. You should be able to get like 30% off or something, or if you can probably get an extra 10% off, because this never goes on sale. It never is a part of the sale. So take care, guys. Love this. Don't mind that thing in the corner there. I don't know why I don't take tags off, but there you go.